Hey guys, it's TechRan here. In today's video, we'll be unboxing the Corsair Vengeance memory kit. That is right. If you guys did not know, this memory kit runs two 8GB sticks, which is a grand total of 16 gigs for your PC, and runs at 24 megahertz. Currently, this kit is listed at $52 on Amazon. However, you can actually pay another $7 to get 36 megahertz instead of 24 megahertz of this kit, and it's honestly going to be just better in the long run. I will, of course, have links to all these products down in the description down below. If you do use these links, it will support me, which is very much appreciated. So you're probably watching this video here today deciding whether or not should I get this memory kit for your PC build, and I can definitely tell you for a fact that it is actually worth it in the beginning. If you guys did not know, this is the first memory kit I ever bought for my first PC build. Worked really well until I bought another kit, because if you guys did not know, this is only 16 gigs, so you won't get 32 gigs, so I had to buy another pair that get 32, and I actually had a problem where the silicon from both of them didn't act exactly right, so I literally just bought another pair of 32 gig sticks, which is two 16 gigs, and that worked in the long run. And of course, everything's fine now, and my PC is working and absolutely awesome. Now, let's get to the unboxing part of this. So I haven't opened this in a while, because literally what I did is I put the memory and everything back into the actual box after I upgrade my memory. So you can really see there's a little bit of tape on the back because I have resealed it, and there wasn't really any big packaging with it. You gotta see here's the box on the outside, the side of it, and the front side. It's nothing really too fancy beyond it. It's easy to tell what memory your set frequency is set to, because somebody was asking me, how do you tell your memory frequency? Usually it would say when you buy it, or it'll usually be on the packaging. You see 24 megahertz on the packaging, two 8GB sticks, which is the grand total of 16 gigs. So yeah, if you're wondering how to check your memory speed, just check the box. Most times around will be on it. And here is the actual memory in itself. It looks pretty nice, if I say so myself. We're actually going to take it out as packaging. The packaging is pretty simple. You literally just take the top off of it. Here's your memory, which you can see here. Looks pretty good, and honestly looks amazing. I'm just trying to get my camera to focus on it right now. Yeah, so this is how it looks like when it comes out of the box, and you can see pretty clean. Regardless, looking at a nice close up, so let me actually pull them on out. Here we go. You can see here is the front side of it. So here is the front side of it when you pull out the packaging. It looks pretty clean. You can see DDR4 on it, Vengeance LPX, whatever it's called. I did not read that right. And then that is, of course, the front side. And here is the back side of it. And of course, you can see the teeth on it, and also the pin where you actually put it into your motherboard. Now, I don't plan to install either one of these today, just because of the fact that if you guys did not know, I'm saving this for a PC build down the line, because we recently got a Samsung SSD to save for PC builds, and now we got some memory too. We have two memory kits, two of these kits, because how good they are. So I plan to do some PC builds on the channel here, which is gonna be a lot of fun. But basically, there's no real difference between this stick and the other stick. They also have the same number on the back too, so that way you know which one goes with which, so that way it's pretty easy to identify them. It's really weird though. My camera just does not want to focus on these sticks at all. When I'm doing from here, it works perfectly fine, but when I do it anywhere closer, you guys just cannot see it, because I think it's just because of how dark it is. But these sticks have a really nice and clean minimal black design. So that is, of course, the Corsair Vengeance 16 gig memory kit. If you guys did enjoy this video here today, then make sure to smash the like button and get subscribed so you not miss any of our future tech content or even PC builds when we do them here on the channel, which I'm looking forward to those. I'm so excited for that. I cannot wait. If you do plan to get some new memory, I recommend you watch this video next. This will teach you how to turn on XMP on your motherboard, or set the memory frequency on your motherboard to the memory you bought. That way you get the maximum performance out of it. So check that video out next.